Anyway, guys, this is Samana Peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, I really feel sorry for Terelo if this is true, guys. What is going on right now? It is alleged Uguti Umpumelele has a new girlfriend from Northwest, same province as Terelo, guys. So, for those who don't know, Terelo, she's from Northwest, guys. Kumanyana wa Motswana, as you all know. One thing about Mpumelelo, he doesn't mind dating outside his culture. She was a Xhosa, obviously. Only no Sipho and the one no Mpumelelo, the Zulu girl, guys. So one thing about Mpumelelo, guys, you can never know, guys. You'll end up seeing him in other provinces, Limpopo, Northwest, Mpumalanga, anything. One thing about Mpumelelo, you never know, guys. So this lady sent, or it's a lady or it's a guy, I'm not sure. She did send to Lady Londe, guys, to say Mpumelelo and his side chick from Northwest Tato, guys. Some are saying Aibo, that's not a side chick, she's also a girlfriend. How can you say she's a side chick? Because remember, Mpumelelo did not pay bride price like Terelo. Some are saying Ogote Mpumelelo is Terelo's husband. It is alleged ukuthi Mpumelelo did pay the bride price like Terelo. Guys, we don't know. We're gonna find out all these things as Temple season 3. They're coming back on 25 May 2025. We can't wait, guys, to see. Maybe we'll find out Terelo, she's actually a wife and not a girlfriend, you guys. You know, some are saying this is embarrassing, guys. One thing about Mpumelelo, let me just say one thing about Mpumelelo, he has a type, guys. Only type, he knows how to pick them. I mean, these are the same as Abu Makumal. If you look at them, they have the same body structure like Abu Mayeni, Abu Maqele, Abu Mangwabe, as well as Abu Makumalo. We cannot forget the Osamke, guys. So Mpumelelo, guys, like father, like son. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.